As a nature lover, you must have noticed magnificent flowers on your random nature walk. When you see a lovely flower, do you ever feel like taking it with you back home, into your backyard, and sometimes into your room? We humans are so fond of nature that we don't want to seize any opportunity to have that incredible stuff just around us, do we? Well, if you ever get that feeling, just take a deep breath and appreciate the beauty from far. Let that plant enjoy its wilderness. Yes, let's not forget that every species on this planet forms a vital part of biodiversity. I am a conservationist and an orchid enthusiast based in Nepal. I love plants. I believe that plants are the most incredible yet overlooked components of nature. You might be wondering why plants. It is because we humans have a very special yet different relationship with plants than that of animals. As plants seem everywhere in different forms, it makes them easier to overlook. That means they need and deserve much of our attention. I can't stress more how important it is to understand and cherish them. Well, that's how the concept of this podcast came up. The podcast is an attempt where I will be bringing some interesting stories of plants in form of plant tales. You will be walking around with me to experience the incredible nature, lovely plants, and discover their secrets. You never know, you might one day be lucky enough to encounter the same plant as you pass by. Thank you. And yes, stay tuned for more.